everybody, this is Tisa with Green Organic Love, and I'm so happy to be coming to you guys today with this video about these storage bags. I have discovered some storage bags that are 100% biodegradable, 100% usable in my daily life. They come in 7 different colors, and not only that, they come in multiple sizes. So these bags you will be able to find, because I'll give you the information in the description box, but as a gardener, everybody knows the importance of bringing in the harvest, and once you bring in the harvest, to store things so that you can use them fresh and just the way we pluck them from the trees or pluck them from the garden, or no matter what kind of harvest you bring them in. So I'm excited. It's by Epare, and they have multiple or different kinds of kitchen use appliances, as well as multi-storage things, cutting boards, you name it. But this particular video or series of videos, I'll be able to show you how I was able to get the most use out of these biodegradable storage bags. Like I said, they come in multiple colors, and they also come in multiple sizes. Now, let's talk about multiple sizes, because y'all know I juice, right? You know, celery has to be cut, washed, and cut again. But I'm going to show you a bag that will take almost the whole celery stalk. And I'm going to show you a bag that comes in a different color, but has use for my strawberries. So in this first video, I'm just going to introduce the product. I'm going to introduce the storage bag and what it looks like, and how I have been able to use these bags. In series or episodes following, you will be able to see the freshness, how I will be able to take the bag out of the refrigerator and the product and or produce that is still fresh right after that. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be right back with y'all to show you these good bags. So here are these produce bags that are 100% biodegradable. And here is me looking at the bags and sharing the different colors of the bags. I just love the fact that they come in multiple colors and multiple sizes. For anyone who is looking to have a real kitchen and also looking to have multi-purpose bags that are different sizes, this is perfect. This is truly the perfect storage bag or storage system for you. Here you can see inside of the bag, and you can also see that the bag is very well designed. Not only can you reuse them, you can wash them, and you can use them over and over again, up to 1,000 times each bag. You can use potatoes, cucumbers, celery. Look at how long this bag is. I just love this bag. This did it for me. It was the long bag that fit the celery. I don't know any bag that will fit almost a whole celery stalk in it. My strawberries, cucumbers, all the things that we normally have from day to day, you can use this bag for. So here's me here, putting all my fresh produce in each color bag. Grapes, celery, I got some strawberries, cucumbers. Here's the strawberries. And they're not, I mean, they're different sizes. You have your very small bag to your medium-sized bag. Just love it. Here's my sliced cucumber. I call them cucumber chips. So here is me. I've already sliced up the cucumbers and washed them. And I like them fresh. Y'all know I like fresh cucumber chips. Here's some red potatoes for a soup later. Yep, I'm gonna chop up some cabbage and put these potatoes in it later. So I'll share that video with you guys. Gotta see the freshness of these potatoes in a few days. Red potatoes at that. Put them all in and just zip that bag right up. And here is the collection of bags that I used this time. Here is the design, and again, another look at the different colors that you'll get. And this is me tossing the bags in the refrigerator. Guys, now that you've seen these bags, hopefully you are convinced, but come back to the next video where I'll be able to show you how fresh my celery is. My celery has to be crisp, y'all. But also, if you look in the description box on each video, you will be able to see the website where you can purchase your own bags, as well as the discount code, so you can not only get your bags, but you'll be able to receive a small discount to these awesome bags. Again, grow with love, everybody. This is still green organic love now. Okay, see y'all in the following video.